In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do additions in Google Sheets on your desktop. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or simply looking to refine your skills, understanding how to work with these formulas is crucial for effective data management. Now, let's dive into the process and look at how you can perform additions smoothly in Google Sheets. First, we begin by selecting the specific cell where you want the result of your addition to appear. This is important because Google Sheets needs to know exactly where to place the outcome of your calculation. With your cell selected, you'll enter a formula starting with an equal sign. The equal sign is Google Sheets' way of recognizing that you're about to input a functional command. If you need to add specific individual cells, you'll type in a simple formula. For instance, let's say you want to add the values from cells A1 and B1. You'll enter equals A1 plus B1. That's what would look like. A1 plus B1. This tells Google Sheets to take the value in cell A1 and add it to the value in B1. Alternatively, if you need to add up a series of values from a continuous range of cells, the sum function becomes quite handy. You'll use the sum function by typing it like this: equals, sum, then in parentheses, the range of cells you want to add. For instance, if you're looking to add values from A1 through A5, you'll type issim A1 A5. This command sums all the numbers in the specified range in one swoop. After you've entered your desired formula, simply press the Enter key. As soon as you do, the result will appear in your selected cell. One of the powerful features of Google Sheets is its ability to update this result automatically if any of the values in the cells you referenced change. Moving on to some additional tips that can make your Google Sheets experience even smoother, remember that you can also add together cells from different areas, or even from different sheet names. This involves using commas inside the sum function. For example, sum A1 A3 C1, C3 allows you to add cells A1 to A3 with C1 to C3 seamlessly. Another quick trick is to select a group of cells to view their sum instantly without entering a formula. Just highlight the cells and take a glance at the bottom right of your screen. The status bar will show Sum, providing a quick summary of the selected values. Lastly, ensure the cells you are adding are indeed numeric. If any of these cells are formatted as text, the addition might not perform as expected, so do a quick check on your cell formats. So, there you have it. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to add numbers easily and efficiently in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps streamline your work with data in Google Sheets.